Hello, welcome back to Low English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
My name is Tony.
And my name is Agina. Today we talk about...
Wait. I'm going to talk some. And what language is mixed with the word channel? You know,
Correct.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
the word channel.
The word channel.
Yes.
Hey, Kisungu. Okay. So today we are going to talk about grouped consonants.
Yeah.
And the grouped consonant we're going to talk about is the CH. The one that has CH. So we'll talk about cha. Say cha.
Cha.
Che.
Che.
Chi.
Chi.
Cho.
Cho.
Chu.
Chu.
Cha, che, chi, cho, chu.
Cha, che, chi, cho, chu.
So we start with cha.
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 Words that mean cha. So the first one is
Cha.
cha, cho.
Cha. Cho.
Cha, cho.
Cha. Cho.
Cha, cho.
Cha. Cho.
Chacho.
Cha, cho means insolent.
Insolent. Let's say it together.
Cha, cho.
Cho. Insolent.
Chado.
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 Splatter.
Chado means to splatter.
Splatter.
Okay?
That's what I said.
Yes. Chai.
Chai means
Chai.
tea.
Yes. Chai means tea. Chak.
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 Milk.
Chak.
Milk.
Chak.
That means milk.
That means
Do you want
milk.
to say it together?
Chak.
Chak.
Then chako.
Chako means begin or start.
Begin or start. Chalo.
Chalo.
Means responsible.
Resemble.
Resemble.
Chalo.
Chalo.
Say chalo.
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 Chalo. That means it means, you know this?
No,
What?
no.
No.
Here.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Chalo means resemble. Then we move on to che.
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 Chengo. Chengo
Chengo.
means cut or trim. Trim.
Do you want to say it together?
Cut or trim. That is what?
Chenyo.
Chengo.
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 Cheny.
Cheny.
Say cheny.
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 Cheny means evaporate.
Evaporation.
You stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop doing that.
Precipitation.
Then there is chenyo.
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 Chenyo is to vaccinate.
Vaccinate.
Hey, you have to look at the camera all the time.
Okay.
See, now everybody will be wondering where is Tony.
Say hi.
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 Okay. Then cherore.
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 No, cherore.
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 Yes, cherore means to dodge about. Like if you go to
Like you missed.
yeah, like you missed. Woo! Cherore. Cherore.
Sometimes it means missed.
Missed, okay? That means to dodge about. Then there is chero.
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 Chero means what?
Spy.
To spy.
It's
Chero
like
means
I
to
spy on the camera.
That's correct. Now let's move on to chi.
Chi.
Chi, not chi.
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 Chi. Chi.
So, chi, first of all, chi means
Chi.
wife
Wife
of.
of.
The wife of.
Of. Wife of.
So, chi is wife. So, chi means wife of, okay?
Okay.
Chia,
Means
Chia.
good or
good looks.
good looks.
Chia.
Chia.
Chia means,
Castle or ghost or sheep.
that is chiae.
Chia.
Say chiae.
Chia.
No, you're not saying the correct thing, Tony. Tony say chiae.
Chia.
No, Tony say Chia.
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 Yes, Chia means cattle or goats or sheep, okay?
Okay.
And then Chiayo
Chayo.
means
Chiayo.
what?
Set
Set or inside.
sight.
Chiayo. Say Chiayo. Chiayo.
Chia.
Chich
Chich.
means what?
Be
Suspicious.
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 Now we're on to the second part.
Cho.
Did you say chich? Chich. Chich.
So, be suspicious.
It says cho.
All right. Then we move on to cho.
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 1, 2, 3.
So the first one is cho.
Cho.
Say cho.
Cho.
Point.
Cho.
Point. Cho.
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 Cho means over there. Cho.
Over there.
Cho.
Over there.
Say over there and then say cho.
Over there. Cho.
Yes. Chodo.
Chogo.
Chodo means to scoop. You know, if you want to scoop
Yeah, you have
Chogo.
to have a bucket.
a bucket and a what?
And a,
Chodo.
And a what?
And
And a spade.
yeah.
And then you chodo. So you
Chodo.
chodo.
It's like
Chodo.
a. It's like what you know. It's what a dump truck carries. Right?
Yes. Like when a dump truck comes in, it takes its chodos, everything.
Yeah.
Just-
Chodo.
But the
Chodo.
excavator helps in it.
You're right. He has more English than me. Excavate. What?
Excavator.
That's correct.
Excavator.
Kisungu itaniua. Aya. The next one is chogo.
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 Chogo means bone.
Born.
You know the bone that a dog eats?
Yes.
That's a
bone.
chogo.
Yeah.
Say chogo.
Chogo.
But you can also say chogo.
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 Say chogo.
Chogo.
Chogo means last born.
Last
born.
born.
So in this house, who is chogo?
Tony.
Who's the last born in this house?
Tony.
So you are chogo.
Yes.
And I am there.
And now I'm not born.
How do you
now.
say firstborn?
First one does not have a Nying Mardendo. It does not have a.
I'm not born
Name.
yet now.
Okay, I don't know. I don't remember.
But
Last born is chogo.
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 A born is chogo.
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 Last born is chogo.
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 Then now we go on to chogo means rebuke. Chogo also means rebuke.
Chogo.
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 Like if you say that's chogo.
Chogo.
Then there is chongo.
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 Chongo means to hack.
Hack.
Yes.
It's like a hacker trying to hack everyone.
Yes.
Like typing into the keyboard into some.
No, that is the chongo of IT. But chongo, you see when you're carving on a stone or on a timber,
Yeah.
you know when you're carving, like when you want to make this, you know when you want to, what is this? What's this?
Marshall.
Yeah, when you want to make the marshal and you want to make them straight and you're using a knife to make it
that
straight
is
like this,
chongo.
that is chongo. Okay?
Yeah.
Chongo.
Chongo. What is it doing? What am I doing now?
Trying to
Chongo.
use a knife to cut it.
And that is called what?
Chongo.
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 Correct. Then the last one is chola.
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 Chola is a sign of mourning, like when someone dies and now there is someone who is mourning, they call they're in chola.
Chola.
Yes, chola.
Do you want to pretend?
Chola. No. Chola. That is
Chola.
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 Sometimes
Chola.
people think
Chola.
they're dead, but only when there's blood coming out of them.
Yeah, that's true.
Some people think that blood is ketchup.
Oh, blood's not ketchup.
Yeah.
Who thinks
Don't
like
be-
that?
Not me.
Oh, all right. I thought you were the one. All right. The last one is chew.
Choo.
Chew.
Choo.
Chew.
Choo.
Chudo.
Judo.
Chudo.
Judo means
Chudo
whip.
means to whip. Okay.
Whip.
So abro chudi means I will whip you.
But I thought it was chuadi.
Chudo.
I thought it was
Oh yeah. That is chuado. Sorry, chuado. Whip is chuado.
chuado.
Chuado. Sorry, it's chuado. I wrote the wrong thing. Chuado.
Chuado.
Now there is chudo. Say
Chudo.
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 Chudo means to give a death blow. Okay?
Yeah.
Abro chud yangu.
Like,
Boom.
yeah, like sometimes when you don't eat food, that means you blow up and then die.
Boom.
Yeah. And then
Knows
that's
everything.
all. And then that's all of your life you got.
Correct.
Yeah.
Then there is Choko.
Choko.
Go.
Choko.
Choko.
Choko is attempt to revive. Attempt to revive. Like something, like let's say you have a wrong, bad knee, a bad foot. Okay?
Yes. Yeah.
And now you want to walk, but you have a bad foot. You know what you do? You
Yeah.
attempt to walk. So you're like, you chokori.
But you need some help with some people.
Yes,
If you
but wait
still-
a minute. Wait, let me teach first. Now it's called chuko.
Choko.
So achukora.
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 So achukora means I'm trying to walk so that I reach what I'm trying to, because I have a bad knee, but I'm still walking. You see?
Like when people are hurt, they have to go to the dentist.
If you're hurt, you go to the dentist, or if your teeth are wrong. Chula.
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 Pay me. Chula. Pay me. Right?
Oh yeah, that is chula.
But you
Now.
have to go to the dentist because
Okay,
it has
yes,
a band-aid.
Yeah. Okay, chula.
Chula.
Now there is chula. Chula means pay me.
Pay me.
But there is chula.
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 Chula means an island.
An
Island.
An island, okay?
An
Yeah,
island.
like a big space, like a big island that people can live on.
That's correct. That's chula.
Yeah, it's like when you have a boat and you try to go to
Yes,
the island.
that is chula, okay?
Okay.
Then there is chumbi.
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 What's
Salt.
chumbi?
Salt.
Salt, yes. Salt, chumbi.
Chumbi.
And finally there is chung.
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 Stand.
Chung.
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 So
It means stand.
it means stand. Tony, chung.
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 Chung. Stand. Chung.
Chung.
Bed.
Bed.
Sit. Bed. Tony, chung. Bed. Chung. Bed. Yeah. So that is all we had today. And as usual, Tony will wind up. Tell them to subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to get the notification bell.
To turn on
Turn on the notification bell
and click the
Notification.
like button.
and click the like button
Say it again.
and click the like.
No, start from don't forget.
Don't forget to click the like button
Don't forget to subscribe.
and
Turn on your notification and click the like button. Say all those things. Say all those things.
don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Notification.
Notification.
I just don't
So
know
you
that.
never miss a video that we post when we post. Let's
And
say it
for
together.
now,
Oriti.
Goodbye.
Bye.